Hey, I'm back. All right, here's another combination from our routine. Feel it still, it's really fun. Woo. So let me think what it is. So this combination starts, we are vertical hooping and we're doing our running. So we do that from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and on 4 we break. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, arm in, 6, 7, 8. Now we kick it out with the big hip, the biggest hip ever, right there. And then we pop, pow, jump across. Now we unwind spin, which means my legs are going to go to not crossed, to crossed again in the other direction. Watch my feet. Can you see my feet? All right. Cross, feet open, close. And the hoop is down by the time we finish this turn. So ideally we cross, we bring it down as we're facing the back, we come back like this. Now we step it out, in, out, in. Think about your arms, your funky legs will follow, I promise. So out, in, out, in. Now we slide to the right. It's a big step and that foot follows. It's the skater. Left, right, right. All right. Now here is the meat of this combination that we really need to go over. So we slide it out and the pinky remains the leader. The pinky is the leader, the pinky is the leader. Here we limp our wrist so that the hoop falls behind our head a little bit. We bring it down. And we jump out. So the hoop generally stays like this and then it turns to here a little bit. But we want to try and keep it flat. So out, leads with the pinky, comes down, and then we jump out gracefully. And then from here we're going into a body roll. If you like to throw like this, that's fine. I like to turn my hoop halfway over and throw like this, however you like to throw it. But we are going to step it out. I'll go over the feet here in a second. Into a body roll. And the better that body roll is, the easier the next move is. So we grab here, into ice cream cone, and we bring our ice cream cone down. And then we roll the scoop across our back. And we bring it down here. Pow! Yeah. All right, so let me put some footwork into that. How do we get into that roll? Oh, we skatered it. Skate, skate, up with the pinky. Too close to the camera. So we step it out and slide it. And then we keep walking in this direction. Not during the roll, just before the roll. And then we're coming back the other way. Stick your butt out. Bam. I'm gonna leave this combination right there. I'm gonna do it to the back from where I started, which was this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide. Up, down. Yay! Do I have any tips on that? Aside from keeping the pinky up during this, getting this roll straight, which means having it roll up this part of your arm. There. This, I don't have anything with same old tips for a back roll. So here. So I have a lot of tips for that. Just press over. It's a fun combination.